All right, ladies and gentlemen, UTP, the Prince Wakamsomi, welcome to iPrizani Studios, guys. Anywhere, anytime. Namhlanje, hey guys, sivakasheleke inciko umfundisi ubaba uPhumlani Nkwanyana, abantu abamazela ke izinto eziningi kakhulu ezahlukahlukene. Mr. Nkwanyana, khamba kanjani baba?
All is well, Mr. TP.
Yeah, welcome to Prizani Studios.
Siyabonga ukuthi nisimeme as a Mega Grace and nami as uPhumlani Nkwanyana. It's such a great honor to be here. Ngijwayele uku-interviewa wena, but this time around izinto ishintshile. Phela namatafula. But you are doing a great work, TP. Thank you so much ngokwenza umsebenzi owenzayo, and we are praying for you ukuthi everything ihambe ngendlela efanele. Umsebenzi owenzayo ube ne-impact kubantu, umsebenzi owenzayo ushintshe impilo zabantu, sithole information, sithole ulwazi, bejabule abantu. We're just praying for i-success wonke umsebenzi.
Nkwanyana, siyabonga kakhulu.
Yes.
Alright, kulelu hlelo noma le podcast into esiphusha kakhulu mfethu indaba ethinta ama-events, and isihloko sethu sithi ke ama-events that are happening in and around eThekwini. But ke before singene Nkwanyana kwi-event esizokhuluma ngayo oyihlelayo, ake siqale sikhele umlaleli obukayo njengamanje ukuthi if usikhuluma ngoPhumlani wakaNkwanyana, mhlambe singathi ubani uPhumlani Nkwanyana?
Phumlani waNkwanyana, kuningi. Phumlani Nkwanyana umfundisi. I am a father, I am a husband, I'm a brother, I am a radio presenter, I'm a teacher, kuningi kakhulu engikwenzayo.
Alright.
Ngiyasakaza uhlelo iMega Grace Hour on Vuma FM Monday to Friday 5 to 6. And Mega Grace on Sunday, every Sunday from 6 to 10. That's what I do emsakazweni. So in a nutshell, that is me, Phumlani Nkwanyana.
Asingene Nkwanyana ngoba sizokhuluma ngama-event, ngiyazi kuningi kakhulu sesibalele kona and besingakhuluma nangakho. Asiqale ngothando lwama-event. Ungene kanjani lezi zinto zoku-organize kwama-event? Wawubone bani? Which event wawuyibonile yakumotivate or ya-inspire ukuthi nawe one day organize ama-event?
Well, organizing events for me, it came as part of my show because kwi-show yami sinabalaleli abahlezi belalele ngathi no, ukunokuthi behlezi bengigcina on radio kuphela, let me plan events where we come together, sihlanganeni and celebrate. Mina ke ngenza i-gospel into zenkolo. So siyahlangana, siba ne-show, and then kumele sihlanganeni sibe ne-event. And I've organized many events, abantu be-attenda, befika bezoba ingxenye yama-events and aba-successful. So from there ngangabe ngisaye ngathi because siyakwenza lama-events befika abantu, let me not stop. Angenza ama-events, ngenza sure ukuthi abantu bathola lento abayisuke ngibathembise yona. Singenza ama-events sithembise abantu izinto ezithile bengabe sayithola lezo zinto. Singathi uzaba nama-artist athile ngabe safika ama-artist, so make sure ukuthi makusithembisa abantu into ethile iyona ezokwenzeka, ikhona abakutholayo. So ever since ngiqale, I think ngiqale around 2019.
2019.
Ama-events and sengiwenza aba-annually. Leso besiyenza nje ngo-16 December. It's our 6th annual Ebenezer Conference esiyenza every year.
Well done Nkwanyana. Alright, indlela okhuluma ngayo kuzwala ngazo ukuthi akuyona kuphela le event esizokhuluma ngayo namhlanje, ngathi umuntu nje owa-organizayo ama-event, but ke mhlawumbe sophinde sikhulume nangamanye uma ngabe esesondele. Namhlanje ngifuna sikhulume ngayo le okhuluma ngayo yomhla ka-16 December ebizwa ngokuthi Ebenezer Conference. Umcimbi kanjani? Usikhele phezulu wathi umuntu organize ama-events e-gospel and everything, but if sithi Ebenezer Conference 16 December, umcimbi kanjani nje lo mawungatshela umuntu obukayo njengamanje?
Ebenezer Conference TP umcimbi, it's an event, it's a church service where we come together. Sizobonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi usithwalele from the beginning of the year. Ziningi izinto ezenzekayo during the year, kodwa uNkulunkulu wasithwala, wasifihla, wasigcina kwaze kwaphela unyaka. So ngomhla ka-16 December soke sihlangana as abaleli bevuma FM sizothi uNkulunkulu siyabonga ukusithwala throughout the year. Kahle it's an event of celebration and thanksgiving. Sithi siyambonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi noma bekukhona izifo, bekukhona ukugula, bekukhona ama-accidents, but uNkulunkulu usifihlile wasigcina kwaze kwaphela unyaka. So into soke siyoyenza, soke siyobonga nje uNkulunkulu. thank you for carrying us throughout the year. Noma bezikhona ama-challenges abekhona, but we are still alive, we are still standing, we are still strong. So suke siyobonga nje, akukho okutheni suke siyokucela kuNkulunkulu, but suke siyothi Ebenezer. Lento iqhamukela eBhayibhelini ukuthi abantwana bakwa-Israyeli bathi sebenqobile bakhona indawo abayibiza ngokuthi Ebenezer, ukuthi inkosi isizile kwazi kwaba la. Ngakho nathi sithi Ebenezer ngoba uNkulunkulu usizile kwazi kwaba la. So we've been doing this event from 2019. Every year it grows. Nakulo nyaka futhi siyamthemba uNkulunkulu ukuthi izokhula ngamandla, and siyababonga abalaleli beVuma FM ukuthi they always come, they always come in numbers bezo attend, and we believe in God for a greater event even nakulo
nyaka lo. Okay, Kwanyana, angifuni ukubamba isikhathi kahle hle kule podcast into esingenayo, sisuke nje sifuna ukuzofika sihlale odabeni, but before siye endabeni yokuthi ke siyavala Ebenezer Conference until 16 December. Ikuphi nendawo and obani abamenyiwe? Ngingaqhamuka mina engayena umlaleli weVuma FM, or I need ukuthi ngibe ne-access card or everything, kungenwa ngamalini, ihamba kanjani into yalo mcimbi lo?
Right, TP number 1 izoba eseThekwini, ngihlezi ngiyenza iba seThekwini umhla ka 16 December ngo9 ekseni. Izobe ilaphayana endaweni ebandleni likaMfundisi uMasinga, iDurban Worship Center. iDurban Worship Center mawuqhamuka edolobheni udlula eGame City, kunendawo kuthiwa kuseStormford, ilapho ke kumngeni road iDurban Worship Center. Lapho sobe sikhona phezulu, siyokhonza khona just opposite nje Home Affairs offices, lapha phezulu rooftop. So besikhona ngo9 ekseni, ungena mahala, awekho amathikithi athengwayo, whether umlaleli weMega Grace, umlaleli weVuma FM, noma usiye noma uyaqala ukuzwa ngale Ebenezer Conference, everyone is welcome. Ungakwazi ukufika, asingene ngamali, asingene ngamathikithi, siyangenela nje. Kuzobe kukhona uProphetess Nontokozo Gwala, uyena oyi-main guest speaker yethu kulolu suku. Nami futhi ngizobe ngishumela ngamandla. uNontokozo Gwala ugcotshwe kakhulu, uNkulunkulu uyamsebenzisa these days. Kuzoba khona ke futhi TP nama-surprised gospel artists. Abantu bazowabona sebefikile, so abafika abantu, there will be gospel artists azobe sibusisa ngomculo, so abantu they must come in numbers. Indawo ke TP iyagcwala
indawo.
So abantu kumele befike early, mina ngifika laphayana as early as 7 already. Sekunabantu asebehlele kwi-event, so I'll encourage abantu befike early ukuze bengebe nenkinga yokuthi bebe nendawo yokuhlala mhla ka 16 December from 9 ekseni.
Kwanyana, ake sithembise nathi siyi-Prison Studios ukuthi sizobe sikhona, so ke abangafisa nathi ukusibona sixoxe nabo, senza ama-interview and everything, nathi siyathembisa ukuthi sobe sikhona. But Kwanyana, asibambe la mfethu, kodwa ke into umuntu obukayo njengamanje angafisa ukuyazi ukuthi ke i-Ebenezer Conference mhlambe online social media khona la singayilandela khona, more especially nama-direction, mawukhona umuntu odukayo ufuna iy'namba and everything, ufuna ukufona, ufuna i-direction, singanifollowa kanjani or sinithinte kanjani?
For number 1 sizobe si-live on our Facebook page, ipage lethu Mega Grace Hour on Vuma FM. The service will be live. You can live stream if you are outside KZN or awukwazi ukufika. You can also go to our YouTube channel Mega Grace Hour on Vuma FM, uzosithola khona. Ungakwazi ukuthi sifonele for directions ku 078 5705 078 5705 or just go to our Facebook page Mega Grace Hour, send us a message, we'll respond as quick as possible. Uthola onke ama-directions.
Mr. Kwanyana, asibonge mfethu, sidibane mhla ka 16 December Ebenezer Conference.
16 December eThekwini eDurban Worship Center, asihlangene khona noma kanjani.
All right, it was uPhumlani Mr. Kwanyana. Catch him every Sunday kwiVuma FM between 6 and 10 o'clock, and also Monday to Friday between 5 and 6 ekulethela uhlelo ethi ke iMega Grace Hour, Mega Grace on Sunday. UTP the Prince wakamsomi, I'm signing out. Asiphinde sidibane la kwiPrison Studios, sengiphethe omunye umcimbi sobe sikhuluma ngawo. Bye.